Good morning, students. Now, the next part is about PPF, that is the production possibility frontier. So, what do you mean by PPF? The PPF, or a production possibility frontier, is a graphical representation of all the combinations of two goods that can be produced with the given resource and the technology. And PPF helps us to determine how to allocate the scarce resources to different goods and services. So, in the last part you might have studied about the central problems of economy, that is how to produce, whom to produce and how to distribute. The same thing will apply when it is applied to a country. The country has to decide how the limited resources should be used in order to manufacture the goods which are very much important for the nation or for the welfare of a country. So, this can be decided with the help of the PPF, that is the production possibility frontier. Here, how can we go for the production possibility frontier? So, we can explain the concept of PPF with the help of a table that can be called as the production possibility set. So, what is the production possibility set? The production possibility set is a collection of all possible combinations of goods and services that can be produced from the given amount of resource and the given set of technology. So here in the table you can see there are 5 possibilities: A, B, C, D and E. And here suppose we are going to take the example of two goods, that is corn and cotton, which a country is willing to manufacture with the help of the given resources. So how much of corn and how much of cotton a country can go for with the limited resource? So either a country can go for 10 units of cotton, 0 units of corn, 9 units of cotton, 1 unit of corn, 7 units of cotton, 2 units of corn, 4 units of cotton, 3 units of corn, 0 units of cotton and 4 units of corn. It means when the resources are completely utilized to produce cotton, then a country cannot manufacture any of the corn. When a country is going to produce 9 units of cotton, it can go for only 1 unit of corn. 7 units of cotton, 2 units of corn, 4 units of cotton, 3 units of corn, and when the resources are completely used to produce only corn, the country has nothing to go for the cotton. It means whenever we are going to increase the production of one commodity, we have to decrease the production of the other commodity. The same table can be represented with the help of a diagram. So on y axis we have taken cotton, on x axis we have taken the corn, and here there are various combinations such as A, B, C, D and E. So in the diagram, any point on or below, that is on or below the curve, is going to represent a combination of the corn and the cotton that can be produced with the available resource, and this is called as the production possibility frontier. And here, apart from this, if all the resources are used to produce cotton, maximum 10 units of cotton can be produced, and if all the units are used to produce the corn, then maximum of 4 units of corn can be produced. So the PPF curve is going to help a country, or it is going to help a firm to decide how much of resources can be used in order to manufacture the goods with which it is having at its disposal. So a firm cannot use all its resources to produce one particular commodity. If at all it is going to go for an alternative good, it can divide the resource on the various goods. But you have to remember, in order to increase the production of the other, it has to decrease the production of the second commodity. Thus, if we have more of one, we have to forego the other. So this is called as an opportunity cost concept, which can be used in case of a PPF concept. Thank you.